Today is September 15, 2023, and it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Let's check these plants. Alright, they look dehydrated. See the leaves, it's wrinkled already. So it's been almost 3 weeks, so they deserve water. So this is how I do it. I set it up in a tray and put something under so the bird cage bottom is not touching the water. So make sure it's elevated, and then I'm gonna give water. I'm gonna use this squeeze bottle with pointed tip so it's go directly to the soil. Here we go. Now let's go to the second bird's container. Let's check. Right. Oh, there are cuttings that didn't survive. Take out all the dead plants so it won't collect any bugs. Bugs love those dead plants and those dried leaves, so clean it. Now I'm gonna give water. Same strategy. Squeeze the bottle on the soil only. Avoid the leaves of the plants. So if you have a special planter like this, like baskets, woods, metal planter, you can use this squeeze bottle. And after this, I'm gonna give more water so they won't be dehydrated. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good weekend.